If you don't teach your girl child about her body, the society and the world will. But this time is going to be in a wrong way. One of the mistakes parents make is thinking that it is too early to teach your child about her body. The truth is that it is not too early. You have to teach this child what she needs to know, the knowledge she needs to have at every stage. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you or telling you stages at which you should teach your child about her body and the proper way to do it, because it's a different thing to teach this child and it's another different thing to teach her in a proper way. Teaching your daughter about her body is not about waiting for the perfect time. It's about teaching her stage by stage at every stage of her growth, so that by the time she turns a teenager, she must have been informed, confident, and protected. So let's break it down in a proper way that you can do this. Once your daughter is between 3 years and 5 years, please teach your daughter about private parts with their correct names. Stop saying PP, that. Mention it. Tell the child, show the child what that place is and what it is used for. In fact, tell her, you see this place you used to urinate, it is called so and so. Explain to her about good touch and bad touch. Let her know that whenever someone wants to touch that place, she should start screaming. And she should always never allow anybody to touch that place except her mommy or her daddy while they bat her, and in some cases a doctor with her mommy's permission. No, not when the mommy is not there. They will not tell you this is a doctor, he has to check there. Say no until my mommy is here. And please, women, if it will be possible for you, please do not let your husbands bath your girls. If it will be possible for you, just do the bathing yourself. Let this child know that this place is a private place that no eyes or hand should touch. Second stage is when your daughter is between 6 years and 9 years. Please reinforce boundaries. There should not be any form of secret about her body. Let her understand that everything that happens with her body, in her body, around her body must be communicated to mommy, and immediately. Number 2 of this second stage is teach your child how to clean her private places, how to change her underwears on a daily basis. Teach her the hygiene about those places. Do not hide it. Do it by yourself so that she would learn. Introduce conversation about self-respect and modesty in a simple way that she will understand. She's still a baby. Then you have to communicate in a way she understands, depending on your child's IQ. The third stage is when your daughter is between 10 years and 12 years. And let me call this preteen. This is when puberty sets in a girl child's life. At this period, please, you should have been able to teach your child about menstruation before it starts, not after. So many parents make this mistake. You will wait until this girl starts seeing the red stuff, and then she will start running kitty, kata. It is better once your child is 10 years, please teach her about menstruation. Also teach her about hygiene that has to do with that place. Teach her how to change pad, how to put pads, how many hours she has to have these pads on. It is very, very important. And explain her body changes for her. Tell her that, at this stage, maybe you will start feeling some kind of little pains up chest there. It is called breast development. Your breast is about to come out. The hairs. Teach her that she shouldn't feel strange when she begins to see hairs under her armpits, in her private parts, that they are all normal things that she will be seeing at this period. Although some children develop little late, But for some that starts very early, please start early to teach your children these things so that outsiders will not teach them in a wrong way. Final stage is the teen stage, and that is when your daughter have finally turned 13. At this stage, please teach your daughter about emotional changes. Teach her about attraction and peer pressures. You know, some of us, we are too religious. In fact, we are deputy Jesus that we don't want to even talk about, you know, how boys will be attracted to this girl, this little child, because for some of us, she's still my little baby of yesterday. But the way the world is now, no child is that small. So please be the first to tell your child that at this stage, boys will be doing her. Some people will be attracted to her. Some people will even talk down on her, because for some people they have developed very well. For some people they have not developed. And if your daughter is one of those people that have not developed very well, tell her that it is expected for some of her peers to pressure her, to talk down on her, that they are, you know, they are now the girls and she's not yet the girls. Tell her that it is okay. It is normal, that phase will also pass. Now, introduce proper sex discussion. Talk about, you know, consent. Talk about pregnancy. Talk about the consequences that comes with these things. Tell her the proper way. Don't be our old parents that will always tell us, see, whenever a guy touches you, you get pregnant. No, that kind of parenting doesn't work these days. Be open to your child. Show her with examples. Maybe you can get materials that are around you and show her, so that she doesn't go and start. Maybe if someone shows her the exact way, now she will want to try it. But if you as the parent have shown her, there's no room for trying it, because she's not hearing it for the first time. Then she already knows the consequences that comes with these things. Teach her self-respect and let her know that her body is valuable and needs to be respected, that nobody should play or toy with her body as much as nobody should play or toy with her heart. Parents, I know that this particular stage of parenting is very difficult, especially for those of us in underdeveloped country. For example, in African countries, it's kind of strange. It's not our kind of thing. But the truth is that for you to achieve this in this present generation, you just have to be intentional with your parenting. Teach them with care, teach them with love, teach them with calmness. Because when you make some kind of conversation that has to do with sex and likes of it a taboo in your house, your child will start hiding questions from you, and they will not trust you enough to be open to you when something happens to them. You see, the reason why you should calm down with them, make it a normal conversation, so that they will always feel free to come asking you questions and maybe seeking your advice. Dear parents, especially mothers, please be a safe place for your daughters. Do not leave parenting for the teachers and the society, especially when it comes to anything that has to do with their bodies. Please be your child's first teacher and let your room be the classroom. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope this video meets you well.